Temperature 10, dew point 07, altimeter 3006. ILS runway 9er approach in use, landing and departing runway 27. Advise on initial...
Riverside ground, Cessna 726 Mike, Riverside Air Service, ATIS information, Lima, taxi runway 27.
Cessna 726 Mike, Riverside ground, runway 27. Cessna...
Riverside Tower, Cessna 726 Mike, holding short of runway 27, like to remain closed traffic.
Cessna 6 Mike, take left closed traffic, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Verify that was left closed traffic, Cessna 6 Mike.
Affirmative, and traffic's on left face, if they were no delay.
No delay, clear for takeoff, runway 27, left closed traffic, Cessna 726 Mike.
Okay, strobe lights are on,
Cessna
mixture set.
419er departing a Cessna prior to arrival.
Traffic in sight, 419er.
Alrighty, power is set. Good RPM. Temperatures and pressures are stable. Airspeed's alive. A little bit of back pressure. And away we go. Being very conscious of our low speed configuration. We're going to get a little bit of flaps out of here. I think we're going to come up a little short unless we add some power. And we're not allowed to add power. So power off. Hands on the throttle just in case we need it. Looking good now. Okay, full flaps back in.
Shibata Tower, 5 and 6 Mike Sierra, we have airport in sight.
Alrighty, and this is going to be an overshoot. We are cleared to land. Your landing is complete. Gears down and welded.
Runway 27.
Okay, continue. You call circle south, left downwind, runway 27, 6 Mike Sierra.
That was nice. Ups are coming up.
Gotcha, 6 Mike Sierra, runway 27, clear to land. Wind is variable.
Okay, mixture set. Lights are
Clear
on.
to land, runway 27, 6 Mike Sierra.
There's a guy on upwind. Airplane's configured. Runway 27's identified. Wheels going down to the floor. Power is set. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. Our airspeed is alive through 50. There's 55. A little bit of back pressure, and we're flying. Stop those tires from spinning. We're already at VY. Wow.
CV Alpha on this frequency.
419er, taxi. We'd actually like to taxi back to ATP if possible.
419er, taxi straight in via Golf, monitor ground point 7.
Traffic's clear.
Taxi via Golf, 419er.
We do have our landing clearance. Runway's ours. He's clear. Hold just a tiny bit of power to make it smooth.
Riverside Tower, helicopter 4066 here.
Hold the nose.
North Lake Matthews.
That was nice and smooth. Keeping the nose off.
Helicopter 4066 here, Riverside Tower.
Nose gently came down.
Gear and arrival, helipad.
6 Mike, request short delay.
Approved.
Clear runway 24, 11 Alpha.
Helicopter 1 Alpha, thank you.
Yeah, we'll do this a short field. Nose wheel straight, flaps are set to 10, wheels down to the floor, on the brakes. Power set, gauge is green, brakes off.
Airport 3, proceed Alpha Echo.
I'm at 59 for VX. Speed's alive, gauge is green.
Cessna 55291 Riverside, at ground, hold your position.
Power set. Temperatures and pressures are green. Speed's alive. But we set it down okay. You going down to Golf?
Mike left at Golf, and you say you're going to parking?
Yes, sir. Left on Golf into parking, Cessna 6 Mike.
6 Mike, taxi straight in, monitor ground.
Straight in, monitor ground, Cessna 6 Mike.
Right's clear, left's clear, strobes are coming off, taxi light's coming on.